I've always wanted a humidifier in my house, and I finally got one, and this one has a bunch of different features that are my favorite, so I want to just kind of talk about it a little bit. So my first favorite thing about it is how large it is and how much water it can hold. It can fill up to the max line, which is this entire thing, so that's going to last me quite a while, honestly. My second favorite thing is that this has different lights, and all you have to do is turn it on like that. And this is shooting up, obviously, but as you can see, it has different colors on here, and it just does its thing. As you can see, it's already humidifying, but that's just because I turned it on. So I went ahead and turned it on. One of my other favorite things about this is that it has a little misting nozzle if I wanted to put it on here. And all you have to do to put that on is remove this part right here, which is at the top of it. And then this just goes where that one is. But right now I don't want to use that one just because I just got it and I'm still trying to figure everything out. I also have a remote, so if I want to control it from my room, I can, and that is where this is going. It also comes with a brush to clean it, and then if you want a little smaller one, you can just take this off and put this on there, and then it's a little bottom. This has a bunch of different features, so you have, let's look at it. You have the misting one, you have the humidifying one, the color, and then the interval, and then the timer, and then the on and off button. So you saw the humidifier go up and everything, but that's not all. If you want to turn it around right here, you have this little thing that comes out and you can put stuff in it like essential oils, and I will be putting lavender in there because that's just what makes my house smell good. It makes everything a little better. So if you're looking for a humidifier, this definitely is a great choice. I really like this one, and it's one of my favorites. If I like it, I think you will too. I'm Kenzie, and you'll see me and my humidifier later.